In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Analytics to your Godaddy website, 2024 edition. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to track your site's performance and understand your visitors' behavior, helping you make smarter, data-driven decisions to grow your online presence. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Godaddy website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with options like domains, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Godaddy services. Next, click on the Products section. Here you'll find a full list of all the domains and websites connected to your account. From this list, select the specific website you want to connect with Google Analytics. After selecting your site, click on the Edit Website button. This will take you into the website editor where you can customize your site's design and settings. Inside the editor, look for the Settings option. Clicking this will open a menu with different configuration tools that let you control how your site works. Now find and click on Google Analytics. This is the key step for linking your site. You'll be asked to enter your Google Analytics tracking ID. If you don't have one yet, head over to Google Analytics, create a free account, and follow the steps to set up a property. Google will then give you a unique tracking ID. Copy that ID and paste it into the Godaddy settings panel. Once you've entered your tracking ID, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Analytics to your Godaddy website. From now on, you'll be able to see how visitors interact with your site, what pages they visit, how long they stay, and where they come from. This data is invaluable for improving your site and boosting your online success. If you run into any issues, don't worry. You can always check Godaddy's support pages or the Google Analytics Help Center for troubleshooting. And there you have it. You're now ready to unlock powerful insights about your website traffic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more step-by-step guides like this.